G'day everyone, Luke from Hotwire here. We are in Murbu North in Victoria this morning. It's about 2 degrees. It's absolutely freezing. But we're here this morning to help out a TV show called Budget Battlers. They help out people who've fallen on some hard times, and this house behind me had the whole roof blown off in a storm and landed in the next door neighbour's property. A single mum hiding in the bathroom as her roof was blown off her house and she looked up and saw the sky. So a really tough circumstance. The whole house then got flooded and everything got destroyed. So we're helping out today, helping with the rebuild, putting in some underfloor heating for them. Thanks to our partnership with Beaumont Tiles and with O'Brien Electrical, really helping out today to get this place back up to its former glory. So we're installing some underfloor heating. It's going to be absolutely beautiful for them because it is freezing down here this morning. I'm going to go and start doing some work so I can warm up and get this underfloor heating installed. I'm really looking forward to helping this amazing family get their house back up and running and back to what it was before. Again, thanks to the TV show Budget Battlers, Beaumont Tiles and O'Brien Electrical. We'll talk to you all soon. I'll show you some more pictures of the finished product. So we're inside the house here. Wyatt's actually starting to measure up the room. Say hello, Wyatt. Hey. Wyatt's actually starting to measure up this room. This is the first bathroom we're doing. You can see just how much of a disaster this place is. Like the whole place has fallen apart, and we are helping putting it all back together. So we're just about to start putting the underfloor heating now. So room's finished. Jesse's down here. You'll remember Jesse from the block fame. So Jesse's tiling the room and he's already smashing it out. So Wyatt's finished the install and we are one down on this project onto the second bathroom. So we're finished on site here with the second bathroom now. You can see it all on the floor there, Hotwire installed. Really pleased to be a part of this project, Budget Battlers, to be able to give back and help out. We donated Hotwire to the cause here today, supply and install. So I love being a part of this. It'd be great to see the finished product, and this house is all done and dusted. So that's a wrap for today with Hotwire on Budget Battlers.